Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a ZEALOT wireless speaker specially for karaoke mic. In this video we will see unboxing as well as how to use this karaoke mic and enjoy. Let's check it out. This is our product. Do the unboxing. As I am purchasing this product from the Temu website, product price is 209 Danish krona. Link is available on video description. Inside the product we are receiving 1008 ampere battery, 12 hours playtime. Now we can open the box. Oh, inside the box what we receive exactly. So C-type charging cable, this is a handy one. Two types of magic booklet of different languages. Here is our product. So it's really nice. You can add here the memory card, C-type and USB as well. Now inside the box we receive two mic. You can charge this one using the C-type. That one is really nice. Just simply turn it on. Hello. Research Rocks. Research Rocks. Hello. Hey, this is the karaoke mic. 3 to 4 voices available for this one. So this is the simple unboxing and how to connect this tiny mic to this speaker. Upcoming videos I will make how to sing a song with the help of this karaoke mic. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel. Stay tuned till then. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.